So I have two perfumes I am going to be unboxing in this video. These perfumes are new perfumes from two different fragrance houses, but they bear the same name. So this video is going to be like an unboxing first impression video where I'll just unbox it and tell you my first impression. My name is Gloria. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this one. The first perfume I want to unbox is Hiyaati Florence by Lattafa. So I am just going to rip this open and see what it smells like. I'm excited. Yes, I like to unbox perfumes. I like it. Woo! Very pretty looking bottle. Looks like Hayaati Gold Elixir. Now let's see what this perfume smells like. Fruity perfume. The perfume reminds me of Maya. It's just a fruity floral perfume. It's not unique, it's not banging, it's just there. It's just there. I'm not excited about it. It's just like any other fruity perfumes, like Maya, like Musuf Wadi, like like those type of perfume in that family, sweet and fruity, a little musk at the base, but it's more of a fruity and sweet perfume. Do I like it? uh, I'm indifferent about it. I'm indifferent about it. I don't hate it and I don't like it. I'm just indifferent about it because it smells a lot, like a lot of perfumes I already have. So I'm not excited about this one. The second one I want to unbox is Hiyaati Rose by Fragrance World. And this is what it looks like. It looks almost exactly like the first one I unboxed, but they are both by two different houses. This one is by Fragrance World, while the other one is by Lattafa. So if you want to buy, if you're not sure, you buy the one from Lattafa and you think you're buying the one from Fragrance World. It's just the name, the logo that differentiates them, that you can tell the one that is by which house. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. It's just by the logo. This one, the logo of this one is here, Fragrance World, right? So that's how you'll be able to tell the difference between these two perfumes. So I will just unbox this one as well and see what this one smells like. Okay, almost like the other one, the same bottle. Like they look so alike, the same everything. This this is how this one looks. And I'll open this here and then I'll spray this on. I'm closing my eyes because I don't want the fan to blow the perfume into my eyes. Okay, so let's give this one a little bit time to calm down. Hmm. Woo. This is sweet. I get very sweet rose from this. I also get citrus, fresh citrus. Citrus like mandarin orange that is sweet. I get that here. So I get sweet rose. This perfume reminds me of Bade Al Oud Sublime by Lattafa. The only difference is that this one is a little bit lighter than that one. A little bit lighter than that one. But this smells like Bade Al Oud Sublime by Lattafa. Do I like it? I think I like it because even though it smells like Bade Al Oud Sublime, I still like it. And the reason is I really like that perfume, Sublime. I really like it. So I like it as well. There are perfumes that smell like perfumes I already have. These ones smell like Maya by Lattafa, which is a very fruity, sweet perfume, long lasting, that I like. I like Maya by Lattafa, but this smells like that. Even though I like Maya, I don't. It's not a perfume that I want to. If I run out of that perfume, I don't want to. I don't want to repurchase it, even though I like the perfume. Why this one, Hiyaati Rose by Fragrance World, smells like Bade Outwood Sublime by Lattafa. The only thing is this one um, smells lighter, a little bit airier than that one. This one smells lighter and fresher, more citrus than that one. Okay, so which one will I say I like? I think I like this one more than I like this. My reaction to this one was, mm, but my reaction to this one was like, mm. So I think I like this one, Hayaati Rose by Fragrance World, more than I like Hayaati Florence by Lattafa. Fragrance World, they have started upping up their game in terms of the quality of perfumes they make. Like I am getting to find more perfumes by Fragrance World that I like. Usually before I used to struggle with the Fragrance World perfumes. Honestly speaking, I used to struggle, but right now I'm getting more perfumes by Fragrance World that I actually like. Okay, so I like this one. Maybe I will give them both time. Maybe as time goes on, they would change into something more interesting than they are right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button so you can join this amazing community. I will see you in my next video. My name is Gloria. Remember to keep smelling your best, and I'll see you in my next one.